First of all, thanks for dropping in here. Just gonna be a very quick video. Maybe some people have a hard time reading, so I just wanted to do a visual thing as well. Scam baiting is a huge thing that a lot of people are doing now, where they actually call these call centers and waste their time. So initially what happens is a call center will get a call to you somehow, or in a voicemail, you're on a list somehow, and they'll just keep calling. Scammer Payback said he was having almost 3,000 calls a day because one of his numbers got listed over there. So eventually what happens is these call centers will call you and they'll pretend to be either Microsoft, antivirus, Amazon, taxes, whoever. They're pretending to be all sorts of people. And what they have is either a refund for you or a fraudulent charge on your account, and that's how the conversation starts. So what they need to do to make this scam work is to gain access to your computer to give you your refund. So once they get you in front of your computer, because this scam doesn't happen any other way, you get onto your computer, they will ask you to do a series of commands on your keyboard. Hold the flag, hit the R, go to a certain website. They're going to have you download TeamViewer or AnyDesk or AnyDex, however you want to call it. And what that allows the scammer to do is to gain access to your computer. Now, there's a lot of people out there that use these programs to actually help within businesses, within different departments, help family members so they don't have to drive. These scammers are taking advantage of that. Excuse me. So what happens is you allow them access onto your computer. Now they want you to log into your bank. Once you log into your bank, they'll turn the screen black and they stop your input control from your side. Now they start and run a series of commands on the back end of this, and they'll do some HTML access, editing in the background. They'll transfer funds. If you have separate funds, like a checking and a savings, they'll actually move money from your savings into your checkings. And then they'll do some coding in the back end. They'll change some letters, change some numbers, and actually make it look like they've given you the refund for $2.99, $3.99. What happens is, if you have enough money in your bank or however they do it, they'll make that refund that they're giving to you thousands more. Now, unfortunately, they can't refund that money to them. They can only give it to you. That's what they say. So now the only way, because now they're going to lose their job, they're going to cry, you need to get their money back that's not yours. So potentially right now, they have given you nothing. They've just transferred in your own account. So now they're requiring you to go to a store, Staples, Kinko's, Best Buy, wherever it is, to pick up gift cards. Now the gift cards change. It could be Google Play cards. It could be Amazon cards. I have heard a few that are doing bank like wire transfers. That's not really a big one from what I've seen recently, but it's the gift cards, because you actually pay for the gift card and they want the number right away. So they verbally force you to go to Staples or wherever it may be to get these gift cards. If you don't, they're going to hold you ransom. This is where they start to get a little nasty. So they're going to send the police. They actually lock your computer. They'll put a sys key on your computer so only they can access it. Here's the bad part about it. Because you either have TeamViewer running or AnyDex running on the back end, they now have full control to your computer. This is where it gets a little bit scary, because whenever you're filling out forms online, you know how there's always that auto-populate? So it'll say name, then you start typing your first name, Vivian. As soon as you hit the V, the rest of the word pops up. So that's called autofill. Now, if you or your computer has saved multiple entries under this, being your name, your address, your Visa card, your MasterCard, your expiry date, several different pieces of information they can now get. Now, the CVV number on the back of your card is only 3 digits, which baffles my mind, but it's only 3 digits. So if they have everything else, very easy to crack 3 digits. Probably take him a couple seconds. So that's one issue with them having the remote access to your computer. They will then force you to get these gift cards, and once you get back, sometimes they don't let you get off the phone. They'll sit on these phones for hours, become very threatening. There's if you go down a little bit on this page here, kind of near the bottom, I have a section with the top YouTubers out there. Scambaiter, Jim Browning, Scambaiter. He's probably one of the best guys we love to watch here. We love watching him because he wastes their time. But you can see, you click on any one of these videos located in the bottom here, and you can go through and watch how the scam works. He actually calls in to pretend to be a scammer, does a voice changer and stuff. Really cool. But the scammer's objective is to get you on the phone, get you on the computer, potential refund, which hasn't happened. Now you owe them money. Now they force you to get these gift cards, and as soon as you divulge that gift card ID and number on the back, it's gone. So unfortunately, it's at that point you will not get your money back. Jim Browning, on the other hand, has intervened on a couple calls. You go through Jim Browning's videos, you can actually see the call centers. Pretty much a whiz at some of this stuff, and I think you can get a good idea on how they operate. Unfortunately, every time you get a call about a refund or a business is going out of a company that's going out of business, sorry, it's a scam. If you do get a call and you are worried, the best thing for you to do is to go upstairs on your night table and grab your bill. Your bill that they say they're calling from. On that bill, there's going to be a number. Toll-free number, local number, whatever it is. Call them up. You call them up, you say, listen, I just had a call. I just want to make sure everything's check and balanced out. Am I good? That'll give you a little bit more peace of mind as well. So please do not get gift cards. Please, please, please. This is your hard-earned money that you're giving away. Hundreds of thousands of dollars are sent to these guys daily. These scammers. And you'll see, they'll even force people to get money out, put it into a box, ship it to local mules within the state, and then that money is then getting transferred. Anyways, thank you very much for your time. I do appreciate it. If you're a CEO, manager, store personnel, and you want to hang one of these signs, if you go up into the top, there's a PDF icon up there, or halfway down on the page, there's a little printer icon. You can print out a PDF. Please hang it up at your gift card station. That's all I'm asking. This will help a lot of people. And just think, CEOs, store managers, if you can help people from not losing their money, they will remember that. They will come back to spend more money at your place. So anyways, thank you very much. I've taken way more time than I expected. Give a browse through the site, have a look, share it out, and best of luck. Peace.